2025 Hyundai Stargazer GLS. Mileage is only 10,000 kilometers. Asking price natin is 815,000 pesos only. Gulong makakapal pa, stock from Casa. Body unat na unat, all original, rig paint, walang tama or kahit anong bangga. Kanyang loob is naka-plastic pa, yan. All leather interior. Napakita ko sa inyo, all leather. Walang sugat, walang tama, walang gasgas. Ating steering wheel naka-leather wrap din. May mga controls sa manibela, audio, settings. Ang ating infotainment naka Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Automatic transmission, all power, push start. Ito yung power buttons ng window at saka side mirror. Mileage niya is 10,000 kilometers. Original mileage yan or double your money back tayo. Kompleto din, owner's manual, warranty booklet, yan, smart spare key. Yan, kompleto yan. Yan, second row, ganun din, naka-leather. Wala ring sugat or punit yung kanyang mga upuan. Dual aircon, ceiling, napakalinis. Walang dumi. Ito yung kanyang third row seats. Ito naman yung kanyang likuran. Yan. Meron na rin siyang reverse camera. Meron din siyang reverse sensor. Yan yung kanyang luggage compartment. Malawak pa. Kompleto tools, hindi pa nagamit. Bagong bago pa. Body napakakinis, all orig. All stock, lahat paikot yan. Walang tama, walang bangga. Hindi rin to flooded. Okay, urig paint. Walang niretoke. Halos bago pa. Engine natin is 1.5 liter gasoline engine. Bagong bago pa talaga, sobrang tahimik. So kung gusto niyo ng 7-seater pampamilya, gusto nyo itong ating Hyundai Stargazer na 2025 with 10,000 kilometers mileage, tawagin nyo lang kami or message nyo kami. 10,000 kilometers, original mileage, asking price is 815,000 pesos only. Pwede nyo tawaran, wag nyo lang babaratin. Alright, this Carboy out.